the gardener and his girlfriend Rose.
Hello everyone. Well, today we are going to show you how to grow some herbs from seeds. First of all, let's grow some parsley. We are also going to grow some chives. To finish off, let's grow some cress. I will also need some help from my friend who is also called Gary, and he has a new gardening tool set. Oh look, here he comes, it's Gary! Hello Gary! High five! Let's get ready to plant these seeds.
This is how we do it, Gary.
Great Gary! You've got your shovel and fork. What do you need to do next?
Let's fill the pot up with air.
That's it. Put it with the other two pots. Marvellous.
These are chives. This is parsley.
Whoa! Curly parsley.
These are crisp because they're so little.
Well done, Gary. Pat the earth gently over the seeds. Very good. Marvellous. Now, water all the plants. That's it, Gary. Give them a good water. Give them a bit more. Wonderful. Hooray! Well, Gary, it takes a long time for little seeds to grow into big plants. So let's go off and do some gardening. So, what have we been growing over the last few weeks, Gary?
Chives.
Hooray! And, Gary, they taste very nice in salads or soups cut up because they taste like onions. Now, Gary, what's the next plant we grew from tiny little seeds?
It was parsley.
Parsley is very tasty and chefs like to use parsley when they are cooking. What was the last thing we grew from tiny little seeds, Gary? Tell everyone. So, little gardeners, these are very easy to grow, aren't they, Gary? So, why don't you give it a try? Hooray! Hooray! So don't forget to use your little Tyke gardening set to grow all your herbs and vegetables. So, Gary, put them in your wheelbarrow. That's the cress. That's the parsley. And now the chives. And let's take them off to Chef Maurice to cook our dinner today.
Come on, Gary.
Come on, Gary. Let's get off Chef Maurice.
Goodbye, everybody!
Goodbye, everybody.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.